All right, this is how to increase audio in your recording on OBS Studio. Maybe after recording, you find out that the audio is low. Let's fix it together. First is to click on Start and launch the OBS Studio. Okay, look at mine here. As the app opens, scroll down until you get to this section where you have mic slash ers. All right, click on these three lines. From the list of options, select filters. You will be taken to this interface. Click on this plus sign. Then select compressor. Click on OK. You'll be taken to this section. You can see that output gain is at 0.00 dB. We need to increase this because this is what affects how high or low our volume will be, our audio will be. So drag this maybe until you get to 15, all right? Or 17, the higher it is, the higher the volume, all right? So let's have it as 15.50 dB. So once you're done with that, click on close, all right? So with this, when you start recording, your audio will be louder than how it was in the initial time.